Okay, so let's say you deleted some photos, but you wanted it back, and your anxiety's going through the roof, and you're like, oh my God, I gotta get those photos back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find recently deleted photos on your iPhone. It's really easy to do. So what you want to do is go to your photos, obviously. And with the new iOS updates and stuff like that, the layouts are a little different. So what you want to do is once you're in your library, scroll all the way down. You're going to get some options here in collections and all these things that your iPhone kind of does by itself. And you're going to find an area called utilities. You see recently deleted photos here, but what you can do is just click on utilities and you're going to have so many options here. So what you want to do is go to your recently deleted. Now, you can have this set up for like a Face ID password situation where it'll be locked and you'll have to use your Face ID or a passcode to actually get into your recently deleted photos and stuff like that. But here we are, and it's real easy to recover something if you want to. So if you want to recover one of your photos, you can go up to the top corner here and hit select. And I'm going to choose this picture of a plate of chicken parma that I made. And what you can do is go ahead and recover. I'm going to hit recover and hit recover photo. And that photo is not going to be in the recently deleted folder. It will just be in the camera roll like a normal photo, and it's real easy to do. Because you see here, as you're looking through, everything has a timestamp here as far as amount of days that your phone's going to have it, because then it will just be permanently deleted from your phone. So it's important to realize if you want to recover some of your photos, make sure you do it rather quickly rather than wait. So in a nutshell, that is how you would go about finding your recently deleted photos on your iPhone. And I hope this was helpful and useful, and we'll see you in the next video.